everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to today's video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy. Stick around and subscribe. My name is Jerlyn. I do planning videos in my Hobonichi Weeks and my Hobonichi Cousin. I also do hauls and stuff like that. So if you enjoy, I would love it if you would subscribe and join this little community. I have been inspired by the Homebody Planner here on YouTube. She's amazing. Her spreads are beautiful. So I'm gonna link her above in the cards. I can't talk today, but her spreads are always so colorful, and mine are, they can be colorful sometimes, but pretty simplistic with just like washi tape and writing and some stickers. But I decided to use this kit from Krels Creations. I have a haul video coming up where you'll see all the kits I picked up from Krels Creations, but this is a lot more colorful than I usually go for. So I'm kind of excited. I also recently placed an order on shinestickerstudio.com, which again, highly inspired by the Homebody Planner because she uses a lot of their kits. So this is just me kind of dabbling into it. Now, this is the kit right here. It has washi, it has functional boxes, some habit trackers, more of these square boxes, little checklist dots, and the date covers. So I think this is going to be a pretty full kit. So let's just get started. So I'm gonna start off with the washi, and this is my first time ever using a kit from Krels Creations. I have been following them for a while. I've never bit the bullet to try their stuff, and recently I think they were having a sale or something, not quite sure, but I picked up a bunch of kits for my weeks and for my cousins. So I'm so excited. This I think is going to look so cute. I've been really into purples lately. I've been in this purple groove. It's kind of crazy. So let's take this strip and put it at the top here. Trying to make this as straight as possible, but it's crooked, of course, but that's okay. Now there's another one here that I could go across the top, but then it covers January. So let me see if I have a small January script. Give me a second. All right, I found these scripts from OK Plans. I got these in like a random grab bag that was free in my order. So this one is a little bit more whimsical, so I think I'm gonna go with that. So I'm just going to take this strip, just unstick it a little bit, cover up the January, and then I will put this script, this January script down, since we covered it up. Okay. Oh, that is so cute. I love how that looks. Okay, perfect. These actually are the perfect size. Mini monthly scripts, if you are interested. Okay, now we have the date covers, which I love this part. That's the one thing in my other spreads that I feel like I miss out on. I just use marker. So I feel like the date cover strip is going to be my favorite. All right, I'm going to do my best to line this up. I feel like I can't breathe. That is perfect. All right, I'm just gonna write in the actual dates. So should we make that vertical? Yeah, so it is, what was it, the 29th to the 4th, I believe? Let me just double check. 29, 30, 31, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I really need to get some date dots that are just solid black, because all the date dots I have are foiled. And I don't really use foil stickers anymore. Okay, so there's that. Now, I typically like to have a section for a to-do list, a section for what's going on during the week. So I'm trying to decide, I feel like I want to use these boxes as my highlight boxes, right? I'm just gonna put them in this order that it comes in. And I'll start off I'm gonna unstick it a little bit just because this is my first time using this kit. Should I line it up with this? Yeah, I'm just gonna line it up with that corner. So it does, wait, let me see if I can pick this up. I feel like it's hanging over a little bit. So I might line it up with the line instead, like this line on the right instead of the edge there. So just to give us a little bit more space for everything else. Cute. I really like this blue. I pulled out my blue Tombow just in case I wanted to use it because the blue is not super relevant in the kit. So I figured I could pull it in. Ooh, how do I do this? I wonder if these will line up perfectly. I don't know if they will. I'm just going to stick it right next to it. I'm not going to be too picky because if it doesn't line up perfectly, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. These are just stickers. I love how this looks already. I can tell why Homebody Planner, I believe her name is Helen. I can tell why Helen likes to use these colorful kits. It just makes me so happy. Doesn't this make you happy? All these different like colors, these pastel colors. I'm so excited. I'm so happy I found her channel. You guys should definitely check her out. Okay. Put this down. I love finding new planner people. So if you have a channel and you make videos, comment down below. I want to see your videos. It's so much fun just seeing what everybody else does and then just being inspired. Okay. Oh, I love it. I think that looks so good. Okay. Since we have so many boxes there, I feel like my to-do list should be here, and then these boxes we can use as appointments. So I'm going to use this little skinny strip right here as a divider, take off some of the sticky, and I'm just going to line it up with this line right here. All right. Oh my gosh. Does that not look gorgeous? Okay, let's get my custom scripts out because I absolutely love them. And okay, so I'm going to put the highlight script at the top here just because we're still putting highlights here. Okay. And then we're going to go on to meals. I'm gonna stick with my little meals here. I think we're gonna change up the habit tracker though, because I kind of wanna try to use these that are in here. So let's do a little highlight moment. And that will be for our meals. Okay. And I think I made notes for 4 meals this week. Let me just double check. Yes, so we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then for habits, I'm going to use these 2 habit trackers here. So I'm going to do a little highlight moment again. Take our habits script, and there's only 2 habit trackers, obviously, as you can see. So I'm just going to track 2 this particular week, and the 2 that I find most difficult to complete are what I'm going to track. So I'm going to do vitamins and reading because I do skincare pretty often. I work out at least 4 times a week. I journal. Yeah, so I'm gonna do vitamins and read. So let's just hope these fit. This actually might be the perfect format for me, for my planning style. That's gonna be so cool because I have a love-hate relationship when I have leftover stickers because it's like, Am I going to use them? Sometimes you can pull them in and you get lucky with the colors, but if I can use every sticker, that would be amazing. All right, let's see if we can try to line this up. I'm gonna skip a line. Ooh, this might go right to the edge. I'm scared, you guys. I think this is gonna fit perfectly, actually. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That literally fits perfectly. Okay. Ooh. Oh geez, come on. Why can't I pick up this sticker? There we go. Just needed a little bit of help. And I'm just gonna skip another line and do a little bit of that. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I'm so happy with that. And then we will do our little mood tracker to finish off this side. Okay, I'm going to draw on the graph and I'll be right back. And now we can go back to this side, fill in our plans, fill in our meals and our to-do list. Now I do want to use these checklists here, obviously. So I'm going to start with the blue. I don't know how many we'll need, but we'll just start with this blue one first. I think we might need a decent amount actually. Oh no, it's not straight. Okay, let's try this again. Come on, we just gotta line it up with that, Jerlyn. It's okay. Blue, and then we'll take yellow. Okay. Oh, this looks so good. I am so happy that I decided to try out Krels Creations. This is literally the perfect format for me. Now I do have to say Krels Creations does have several formats that I picked up in the Hobonichi Weeks. I don't know if it's just older formats and stuff like that that she just still has in the shop, but I'm definitely gonna try those out. But this seems like it's the best format for me. It's exactly what I need. It's not too much. There's not tons of leftovers. And I love that. I love using up the stickers. Let's just do one more, just in case. Or we should just go all the way down, right? I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Okay, let's stop there. And let's go in with our like plans and stuff. So really quick, I'm gonna do the meals because that's just gonna be fast and easy. Now let's put in what's happening this week. I don't have too much happening, but I think I have enough to use all of these boxes for sure. So let's just put them in. I'm just gonna start with the one at the top here. I have Pilates Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I loaded up on Pilates this week because next week we are going to be away. So I'm gonna put in a box for each day I'm going to Pilates, and then I'm gonna write in the time. And I am just so excited. I love how this looks. This looks truly so good. So Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, what did I say? Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, I usually have a rest day, but since I'm going away on vacation, I'm not working out on vacation. So I figured I would pack in the workout classes before I leave. And I love them, to be honest. I love Pilates. I'm obsessed. I'm so happy. I love it. And I say it every video because I'm just shocked because I have never enjoyed a workout, any type of workout this much. All right, so that's Pilates. So let's write in the times. Monday is, I'm just gonna put at 8 a.m. I just know all of these are for Pilates. So at 8 a.m., at 9:30, at 8:30, at 8 a.m. Saturday is 9 a.m. And then Sunday is 10 a.m. Oh, this looks so good. I love it. Do you guys love it? I'm obsessed. Oh, I forgot to write in that I'm doing vitamins and read. Okay, perfect. Wednesday, I have the maintenance guy coming. So actually, I wonder if I can use one of these little icons because I have so many of these icons. Wonder if there's like a house icon. Let's see. These are from Pretty Planner Crafts. I got these in a D-stash. So there's a little house right here, but is there like a oh, there's a washer. Perfect. So our maintenance person is coming because our washer just started leaking like crazy, and y'all, it took me so long to get this appointment. Like, it was insane. So our maintenance guy for our washer is coming between 8 to 12, somewhere in between there. So I have to be home from 8 to 12 and I can't go to Pilates. So that's the only reason why I'm not working out that day. But I know it's good to have a rest day, so I'm glad it's in the middle of the week. Okay, so after that, I do have my therapy appointment on the 1st. So I do have a therapy sticker. I wonder if there's actually one in here. There's this little Zoom one that I could probably use. Or like a video call, because I do it virtually. But I don't know, I don't think there's another, unless this sampler has a therapy one. I should have honestly looked through these before. Oh, there's a little sofa, right? Should I do that? Maybe I'll do that, because that's so therapy-esque. Little sofa. Even though mine is virtual, but it's okay. So I'll put this therapy sofa icon, and that is at 2:30 p.m. And then on the 3rd, which is Saturday, I have a wax appointment because we're going to Mexico the following week, and you know, we gotta be prepared and prep for it. Push pin. Oh, there's a paper clip. No, I think the push pin, just for like a little reminder, maybe like an appointment. Does that mean appointment? I don't know. I don't know why I associate push pins with appointments. Oops, that's the 3rd. I'm just gonna put wax. And, oh, I don't even know what time I have that. Give me 1 second. Okay, my wax appointment is at 10:30 because I'm going right after Pilates. So I'll put 10:30 a.m. Okay, I think that is everything for my list there. Now I'm going to do my little to-do list. So let me get a script. I have this week. These are so big. Do I have other ones? I think I just have these. Okay, I'll just use this because it's what I have. And I'm gonna use the more whimsical one. Oh, these are from Little Bloom Papery. And I'm just gonna put this week here at the top for our little to-do list. Now I'm just going to write in the to-do list and see if we need to add more checklists. I think that's pretty much it for the entire spread. Y'all, look, I am so proud. We have one box down here and we have 2 little checklists. And that's it. I love this format. I think it's so good for how I plan in this particular style. I might try a different style next month just to change it up. But does this not look so cute? I love these little clouds and stars. These colors are so nice. So I think this was a really nice stepping stone for me to kind of get into the more colorful, like full sticker layouts, and I love it. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Please leave any other comments also down below, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!